This is Dean Taraborelli, and I'm the founder of The Sanctuary. And I'm here to talk about what is a holistic treatment model. We get asked that question a lot. And I think before we talk about what does holistic treatment mean, let's talk about what holistic is not, because there's a lot of misconceptions about it. A lot of times people think that holistic means, oh my God, I have to give up cognitive behavioral therapy or all the clinical aspect. That's not true. That's not true. Holistic means all of it, the whole thing. Some people think holistic means I have to not have any medication or any kind of allopathic Western medicine. That is not true. Holistic means, yes, we can use medication. We also use meditation. We can use some other herbs. Our psychiatrist is also an Ayurvedically trained. We have different practitioners with different modalities. So holistic means the whole thing. Holistic doesn't mean that it's not clinically sound, right? Holistic means that, hey, within our holistic process, we have a very powerful clinical component, probably more clinical hours than you'll find in any other treatment center, right? So that's what holistic is not. So now let's talk about what holistic means to us. The holistic is the new science of getting well. So a holistic treatment model, and we look at some holistic terms that become very important that we didn't know 20 years ago. So epigenetics, one of them. So epigenetics means, hey, my DNA expresses and is influenced by my environment. So therefore, when I start to learn that I can control certain aspects of my environment that are going to signal my body in a different way, this opens up a dramatic possibilities for people to overcome diseases and other things in their bodies and in their psyche. We look at the science of neuroplasticity, meaning that our brains can change, right? So if my brain is adaptable and I can manage its changes, then I can actually shape my brain to be whatever I want to be, rather than be stuck with some preconceived ideas or preconceived treatment model. If we look at the gut-brain connection, this is irrefutable now that the condition of our gut microbiome impacts our mental health in a profound way. Metabolism and mitochondria impacts your mental health, and anxiety and depression actually caused by inflammation. So having a holistic model becomes imperative. Most people know that the body holds trauma. We hold trauma in our body. You know that book, The Body Keeps the Score? If I don't get the trauma out of my body, it reinforms my psyche after all this cognitive behavioral therapy that I've done. So in a true holistic model is addressing all aspects of body, mind, soul, spirit, because if I have a problem in one area, it spills over into my whole being. And therefore, if I treat the whole person, the whole being, my chances of resolving my underlying issue are dramatically increased. It seems so straightforward and simple. We can't understand why everybody's not doing it. But that's the foundation of the treatment at the Sanctuary.